Hi people, it's me, and I am looking down at my son who's looking up at the problem that we're gonna do and is like, whoa, Mom, that's intense. That's an intense problem. I so can't wait to do that. And I told him, well, that's a 7th grade advanced math problem. So I guess I'll show you tomorrow, or you can watch this video. Okay? So let's take a look at how to solve this thing. So you guys needed more help on simultaneous equations. So I have given it to you in class, and we have solved a lot of them. But now you're going to try and solve this one yourself. And you can pause the video, try the first step, start the video, and see if you're doing it right. So first step would be to figure out which variable you want to solve for. And in this case, which one is it gonna be? There's one hint of them that is super nice to solve for. It's that one. It's that one, because it's 1y. So if we go ahead and solve, we're going to change the way this equation looks. If we're solving for y, we're going to add 5x to the other side to get it to go away. So my 1y is equal to 13 plus 5x. Or 5x plus 13. And now, next step, I'm going to take this quantity and I'm going to sub it in for y up in the equation that I have not used yet. It's going to go right there. So I'm going to rewrite that first equation, negative 3x plus 3. And now not y. Some of you need to get used to this. We need to write this as the quantity of 13 plus 5x. And that is supposed to equal 3. And then I'll go ahead and use the distributive property. And I'm at negative 3x plus 3 times 13 is 39. Plus 3 times 5x, 15x. And now I'm going to simplify, combine like terms. I have a negative 3x that can be combined with a positive 15x. That'll give me 12x. Plus 39 equals 3. And now, 2 more steps here. By the subtraction property of equality, I will subtract 39 to both sides. And when I do that, I'm going to be left with 12x. And 3 minus 39 is going to be a negative number, very negative, negative 36. Final step, division property of equality. And x is going to equal a negative number, negative 3. And now it is not done. Now I have my value for x, so I'm going to plug that in to figure out what my y value is. And this is the part that I want to use, because I already solved for y. Now I know what x is, so it'll be nice. So y was, what was it equal to? 13 plus 5x. 13 plus 5x. So I'm going to take that x value, I'm going to plug it in there. 5 times negative 3. I'm going to multiply first because that comes first in the order of ops. I'm going to add 13 to that. And the y value ends up being negative 2. And now I am not done. Now, most people's favorite, checking. Because then you actually get that joyous moment. Like, oh my gosh, I got it wrong. What? Or maybe right. So we have x is negative 3, y is negative 2. X is negative 3, y is negative 2. Our original problemo, I'll rewrite it out. Negative 3x plus 3y equals 3. And then second equation, negative 5x plus y equals 13. All right, so if I take my numbers and I plug them in here, my first equation, I'm going to have negative 3 times negative 3 plus 3 times negative 2, and I'm determining, is that going to be 3? So if I multiply, that's 9. Multiply here, that's -6. And 9 plus -6 is 3. That works. Okay, now I'm going to check the other one. So I got a yes moment there. And the second one, -5 times -3 plus -2. And I'm seeing, is that 13? So here I multiply, I'm at 15. Plus -2. Is that 13? Yes. Yes. We are amazing. All right, gear up for that test. You are ready to go.